Good morning, welcome to ABC 123 Trader. Today is March 18th, 2022. It's 9:31, and let's start taking a look at the NASDAQ futures. All forms of trading carry a high level of risk, so you should only speculate with money you can afford to lose. You can lose more than your initial deposit and stake. Please ensure your chosen method matches your investment objectives. Familiarize yourself with the risk involved, and if necessary, seek independent advice. U.S. government required disclaimer. Commodity Futures Trading Commission. Trading financial instrument of any kind, including options, futures, securities, have large potential rewards, but also large potential risks. So must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the options, futures, and stock markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Okay, it's kind of weird. I got in a little late, but I want to show you something here right away here while she's vibrating. I'll get into this here. CNBC. Let's go CNBC. Wow, what a crazy whip out here. I would have been happy to be in there. So now, let me see here. NASDAQ and Dow Jones and everything. S&P, they're all down. Oh, interesting. No oil. Try no oil today. Russell 2000 and VIX. Oh, getting up. Central bank should raise rates about 3%. So they haven't really talked about much. I just want to get that out of there. I have to get to this other page right now. Insane. Take a look at this. 3,500 contracts dumped and it went straight up. And this was just before market open. Okay. Then we had a whip down, and guess what? I've got my line in the sand here. This is what I'm looking for. So I have a high volume line in the sand now, and I have another one here. So we have two of them. So we have one here at 13,960, and hopefully, if it does get in that zone, I might be able to play around. Now, what I want to show you as well, this is how crazy it's been. That fire up, took out some stop outs, fire down. Now right now, we're kind of, because within the first few minutes here, look how they destroyed everybody going up, everybody going down, we're about to feed up, everybody going up, everybody going down. We wait, and we wait. From 60, those are $1,200 moves within 4 minutes back and forth. Let him play that game. I don't want that game. So we're gonna let him fire out. Now I'm gonna, oh sorry guys, I wanna find out where we are. Okay, so we're just, actually, we are now technically in the buy phase. Let me reload this. We are in the buy phase, guys. But you know what, I'm gonna put it to, let me see here. There we are. There's a line in the sand right here. Well, that's my line in the sand here. Now, if I was, and what's the price here? I'm gonna go F6 here. Where are we located? Actually, I'm gonna remove all drawing objects. I'll do it again. I wanna know exactly where I am in the line in the sand here. I'm going to put it in NQ as well. I want to be, it's the same numbers, I just need it for my chart purposes. Okay, perfect. So what I'm doing here, I know if this thing activates properly, we might be able to get through, but I don't know yet. We're still in volatile war, all that crap right now. But there is a couple of really good markers. Yeah, see, they're going to go for the top up there. You know what, I don't want to do the impulse move. I gotta see it come down again. It's too early yet, we're only 6 minutes in. Just breaking that zone though, that's the nice thing. And let's see where we are. See, we're just trying to break. This is kind of we're in a catch-22 here. This could be a fake out, but we know our order block is here from 75 to 200. So we just want to give it just a few more minutes and do a little bit more of an analysis here. And see here, So region here. There's our region. That's the area we were looking at. We can go up to 4132 for sure. That was yesterday's high. We'd like to go to 14,000. I would love to see it come back down. You know what? I'm gonna let them play this game for a while. And let's see if we can get down to. They already touched it once though. They might not do it, but we'll find out here right away. Let's see what the. And one more thing here. We'll just focus everything up. Let's see where we are here. We're not done our levels. Yeah. So what we're going to do is we can put an upper range where the last New Year's session is. Know that. And they're very consolidated here. Yeah. And so I don't like it right now because it's flat. We're still trying to figure which direction we want to go on. It could still be a sell-off, but it's nice and consolidated here. So what we can do is from this consolidation zone all the way across, our volume point of control, yeah, it looks like at 1420. We'll let them grind for a while. Yeah, that's what we'll do. Because they did a whip up, whip down, they hit this order block. Here's another order, but we're at 0%. They went negative 0.62 here. And then we got some big spacers of order blocks. These are stop outs, right? Stop out, stop out, stop out. And yeah, we'll wait on that one. There's a lot of consolidation there. Where are we right now? 939. The only thing I don't have a really clear. Oh no, there is one marker there. What time would it be at? 10 o'clock, eh? A lot of holding. So we'll let them hold and build up there. See, they're getting tighter and tighter. So what I'm going to show you here. See, there's a lot of volume here holding. So it could be another fail. We don't know yet. But let's see if we can get down to here for a buy-in. Or down here. And what was it? Let's see what the time is on that. Because there was a lot of buying right here. And it just went bang. Let me see here. How far down was that? See, look at this. This was 12:30 yesterday. That's where all that volume was. Yeah, it can be one or the other. I want to see if it just plays around in the zone so we can go for it. And this region, what we're going to do is I'm going to mark another region here. See, that's your market maker region. It's really big. So that's your market maker region. So let it get back into that zone here. Let's see if they're gonna what side they're gonna play on, because they stalled out right at. Right at 40. I think what we'll do is we'll just let them play around until 10 o'clock. Because they're just whipping back and forth right now. Unless they get into the sweet spot and we can see consolidation, we are about the foundation and the institution line. Let them grind it and grind it and grind it and see what they're doing. Because it looks like they're just playing right now. We know this is a really nice sweet area. I like that. See, that 3,500 contracts was a kickoff point, so let's see what they did here. Yeah, that was, oh yeah, 756, boom, right there. That's what they wanted to do, 3,700, there you go. That's the number, the kickoff number. So they've got a lot of contracts here. They want to bring it back in and then fire up. That's what I'm looking for. They did it once here. They did it again, second time a little bit deeper. And we're gonna find out if it's gonna do it a third time. Because 3,700 contracts, when you look at all these numbers here, guys, oh yeah, there's some big ones there, 250, but nothing really. See, oh, there was a, yeah, they've got a lot of volume in this zone here. What also we can do is, you know what I haven't done in a while? Let's do that. I want to see what the cumulative delta is doing on this one. Yeah, see they're fading down to go up. That's what they're doing, guys. Okay, so we hit 1,000 contracts. That was that big. Oh, look at these waves, though. This is insane. Big wave, pull back. Big wave, pull back. Bottom up here is from negative to 0. Let's see what the bottom is. This is where all the consolidation is here. So they're holding here. They peaked out 1,000. So let them come down. We'll go from there. Okay, now what I'm going to look at here, so this is what I'm wondering. So they're still trying to push here, and look at this. It's just, you know, something enough to show you there. Let me go like this a bit. There's a pull down here, but it doesn't look like it's failing, so we just got to wait and see. This has been moving quite aggressively at 25 points a minute. So that's 500. No, 20 points a minute, so that's $400 a minute. It's whipping back and forth. And the way it's designed is it is going to take off here today, guys. So at 9:45, I might be able to get into a jump here. We'll find out. And then I can get up to at least 20 points, at least at the top of the hour at 100. Let's see if it fails. I would really love to see it just to do one more crash here. That's all I want to see. But there's a lot of consolidation volume here now. So, and they are lined up at 57. So we'll see. I'm going to transition here so you see. So we're lined up at 57 here. A lot of buying in, slowly but surely grinding. But it was grinding really slow and it did an aggressive move. So they're getting ready. And look at these buy blocks here. 52.10, 52.10. What I also want to know, I'm going to transition again. I'm just going to give them some time. It's going to be at 10 o'clock, guys. So I can see it. They're just playing right now. What level are we on today? Target 1, level 1. There we go. Hitting new highs. Can I do it now? Sure.
Order submitted.
She's gonna go up now.
Order filled.
Okay, so what we'll do is I'm gonna shut her down at, you know what? I'm gonna sell them at there.
Order submitted.
29, that's fit target 1. Actually, I'll take a conservative move because we're going straight up as an arrow. I know we're gonna hit target 1. So, let's go 98 here. Yeah, they're grinding away. The delta's pushing it straight up, so they're going to fight it up today. It's going to be a slow grinder today. And then what I can do is on the, let me see here where we are. Yeah, they're gonna hit or 14,100, and then they might go to the 134 today. Looks like. Let's see if we can just grab a couple of points here. Yeah, because you're going to be hit top of the hour in 15 minutes here, so they'll grind it up. You can see, yeah, Delta's moving up. $93, $90. I know they'll hit 98. And then, yeah, because there's a lot of big buy numbers here. So we're okay for now. Let's transition here. See, they're just trying to grind. They're just grinding for 96. Get her 97. One more. Come on, 98.5. 97.5, 98. There we go. We're done. Oh, we got for 97.5 for $215. Now we broke the 4,100 level. Actually, I might be done today, even though that's numbers I didn't want. It's just grinding too slow for me. I really want to see. We'll see what happens in 15 minutes here. I'll be back. Oh, you know what I don't have? Sorry, guys. I'm going to turn on the volume so you can hear order filled and order complete. So they gave me, what is it, $20 slippage there. They still might just explode it up. It's just, it is running nice. But see, we have this, a little bit of education here. This can be one of two things. This bar here, because it's 3,500 contracts right in the beginning, can be a kickoff to go or a sell-off to say, no, we're gonna liquidate. They're closing their position to liquidate. What I missed at 9:34, it went so fast to whip up and whip down. I should have bought it right here. I should have put the marker in the line like I said before, but it was so fast. Like, and I would have been really laughing to the bank here. And I don't want to chase the trade anymore. I want to wait till it hits the 34 bounce back. And then, yeah, see, we're just breaking the zone. And we've been in such the red for such a long time. See, we've been in red for such a long, since actually, well, you know what, this is 3 months, so they're getting into 3 days. I'm rambling today. Okay, we are March 18th, 2022. Okay, now March 18th, 2022 is like, okay, it's March 18th. There's 4 times a year, seasonal first of all. You've got your equinox, longest day, shortest day of the year, which lands on January 21st, March 21st, June 21st, September 21st. But it's not about that. What it is there's also options, expiries, and quarters. These are big corporations showing their numbers as well. On the 20th, they do it weekly. They have weekly options. They have monthly options, but the quarterly options are on the 21st of March, June, September, and December. This is when they start saying which way we're going to be flowing the money. So, with that being said, it can really explode. We can get goose eggs. We really have to watch. But if you really think about it, now let's take a look at this chart. Before the turnaround, here's December 21st. Took a few days. And guess what? For the whole 3 months, January, February, now we're almost almost at that March 21st level. So are they done? Actually, let's see, where are they done at? March 15th. Where are they done here? There's December 15th was basically on the top, but they did on the 28th. But they were peaking out for quite a while. Okay. Actually, the biggest peak looks like on November 21st. See, 21. Okay. So now let's see where. Yeah, that's about 21st, 22nd. See, here's 21st here to 22nd. They're just wrapping everything up. And so what we got to find out is, she's still moving, I guess. Where are we at, 17? No, we're back to 102. It did go to 17 peak here. So we're right in that line in the sand that we really have to watch in trading. That's why I was kind of a little bit nervous about taking that trade. I missed my green line, like I said, and we can go from there. And so we got to that peak at 22. I was thinking maybe at 34, she could be a runner or it could be range bound. We're just turning, which is a good sign, but we don't know. They had a really good explosive move for the first half hour. And like I said, maybe they'll get back to top of the New York session. And so they did get to the top of the New York session now. Should change some colors here. And they literally hit a 141 extension. See, right to the tick. Fibonacci's are powerful. Sometimes I might over information myself, as you can tell on my charts. Like, you don't need as much information, but I do this a lot of the times also for you guys for education and understanding. You know, I took the trade a little late. I really wanted that pullback and see what was going to happen. And I didn't have my sound bar on. I should have, because you would have heard the sound bar on this one. This one I would have took off, and then I could have really analyzed it. This one gives me a signal possibly for early entry. I can grab it and go. And I screwed up on that one. But yeah, and that's about it. I think I might be done for trading today. It's on top of the hour, $200. Yeah, 250. Well, whatever. It is what it is today. We're just beginning the buy phase, and I'll let them play it. And plus, we're options expiry, and it is. Oh, today's Friday too. So yeah, I'm done. I gotta go to work this afternoon. So I work at a golf course on the afternoons. That's my playtime. Go there, socialize with people, have a couple of happy pops, etc. So, in conclusion, what did I look at? Yeah, this is the big market education for today. I'm just going to drag. Yeah, I'm going to drag it over. Big education for today is this high volume spike. Always high volume spikes are line in the sand, guys. That was the marker. I should have had my trade set up. As soon as I saw that and it took off, or at 9:30, I should have put it right there. And then that would have been my move. That would have been my trade at 9:33. So I got to remember doing that next time. But it was so fast. And plus, I got it really late before market open. I didn't have 15 minutes to analyze. And let me see here. Yeah, see the nice impulse move, but we're still within this range here. They're still trying to push it. This might go all day. I don't know. Yeah, we're breaking. It will probably hit the 4,200 order block and then probably come back down. This could be impulse one if it's reversing, because we finally had our first impulse move. Now, if we're in buy phase, let's say it does finish up to the order block, then I'm going to be looking for a pull down to maybe 38%. No, we can actually go to 50%. See this, 50%. There's your order block. There's one down here, 50 to 61. See, there's your order block there. If it's a deep retracement, shallow retracement, look at this. Order block at 23, order block at 38. Go figure, eh? So, so we got that. And yeah, I'll let them grind. It's a slow grinder today, so. Until they pop out of 32, then we'll know for sure. And that's about it. And yeah, see, I have the marker for, see, we hit fit target 1, no problem. That was at the 4100 level. That's the one, that's the target I used. And it looks like they're gonna hit fit target 1 here right away. Just let it grind. 3 minutes for the open, yeah. Other than that, just make sure you pinpoint your trades, trade safe, and you guys have a great day. Take care.